Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fit a Ford Ranger roller shutter. First, unbox your new roller shutter and lay out all the parts to ensure everything is present. Next, prepare your Ford Ranger by clearing the truck bed of any items. A clean workspace is crucial for a smooth installation process. Make sure you have all the tools listed in your instruction manual readily available before you begin. Now let's get your truck bed ready. If your Ranger has a roll bar or sports bar, you'll need to remove it first. This usually involves loosening a few 10mm bolts. Next, take off any plastic tub caps and, if necessary, the existing tub liner. Thoroughly clean the top of the tub rails where the new shutter will sit. This ensures a strong, secure fit for the mounting brackets. With the bed prepared, it's time to install the brackets. Start by fitting the tub liner brackets into the lower bolt holes on both sides of the truck bed. Then, position the 4 main brackets along the top of the tub rails, 2 on each side. Carefully lift the roller shutter canister onto the bed. Slide the side rails onto the canister, aligning them with the brackets, and secure them loosely with the provided bolts and washers. For the final steps, connect the drain tubes to the shutter's drainage points and route them through the truck bed, often requiring a small hole to be drilled. Next, run the wiring harness from the shutter along the chassis and connect it to your vehicle's battery, ensuring all connections are secure. Test the shutter's operation to confirm it opens and closes smoothly. Remember to check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Finally, tighten all bolts and replace any removed trim pieces for a complete installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.